Hey guys, this is Jersey from Jlur Rubicon Adventures. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the transformation of my Jeep, the Jlur Rubicon. RCI Jeep on 4x4 is going to be performing all of the work in this video, so super big shout out to them. Thank you so much for putting up with me and answering all my questions and getting this done in incredible time. So I've been waiting to do this for quite some time now, and unfortunately COVID did not help the cause. But we're pretty much going to be changing everything. We're going to tear it down from changing the rims, the tires, the skid plates, the side steps, drive shafts, axles, steering. We're adding a steering stabilizer. We're changing the rear bumper. So pretty much it's going to be a completely new Jeep. And as you can see, we're starting out with pretty much a basic Jeep. The only modifications we've done so far is we added a winch, a roof rack, and we already updated the rear bumper. So we wanted to start out with taking some measurements of before the transformation. As you can see, the front bumper is sitting at just shy of 19 inches. The side rails are sitting at 16 inches. So the rear bumper is sitting at 21.5 inches and the pumpkin is sitting at 10 inches. And finally, the roof rack is sitting at 74 inches. So once the transformation is complete, we're going to come back and we're going to do the same measurements again and compare them to the stock measurements. So stay tuned and let's see what happens. So I don't know if you guys can really see it, but there are 6 tires on the trailer. So 5 of them is my new Trepador tires that'll be going onto this Jeep, and the 6th one is my spare tire. Which, by the way, unfortunately, with the DBA bumpers, you cannot use your stock tire because of the offset. It does not work. We tried, which is why it's on the trailer. So FYI out there, whoever has a GL and looking at those new aftermarket DBA bumpers, keep in mind that you would have to have an aftermarket rim to fit those bumpers with the swing arm. So guys, we are finally here. We're pulling up to the RCI Jeep and 4x4, and we're officially dropping off the Jeep. I can't believe this day is finally here. I'm super excited and can't wait to see the transformed Jeep. So as you can see guys, we got a lot of parts in, but this is not even all of the parts that are shown. Some of the parts that we got is the RCV Performance axles. We got Tom Wood's front and rear drive shaft. We got Artec skid plates as well as the inner fenders. We got Evo long arm kit with coilovers. We got RCI 1-ton steering. We got fuel beadlock rims. We got Trepador's Maxxis tires. DVA rear bumper, as well as Blue Ox tow kit. So here we are, the moment of truth. I must say the Jeep looks absolutely phenomenal. I am absolutely in love. Chris, aka Rhinocon, and Marie, they did a phenomenal job on this. They were able to put this whole Jeep together in under 4 days, which is incredible. So guys, for those of you who don't know, the Evo kit alone usually takes about 25 hours to install. There's a lot of cutting, grinding, welding involved. They also had to mount and balance the tires, reprogram the Jeep. They had to perform the alignment and send all of these parts out to get powder coated. So to get all of that done in just under 4 days, that's pretty incredible. So super big shout out to RCI Jeep and 4x4. So if you look closely, you can tell that they spent a lot of time trimming these inner fenders, which I can only imagine how painful it was for Chris. I mean, these look professionally cut. You would never even know they were cut. And look at all that detail. Look at the springs, look at the Evo symbol, the inner fenders, everything matches those phenomenal candy red color on the rims. As you can see, we also installed the side steps as well as the rear fenders. We have the king shocks with the matching springs in the rear as well. They also mounted the rear tire, and the small detail that captured my eye is the fact that the fuel symbol is actually pointing up so you can read it, which is super detailed, and I absolutely love it. So if you have OCD, RCI, and Chris is your man. He will take care of your Jeep, so go see him. So in the front here, you can see the new steering assembly, which is a 1-ton made by RCI, and of course it is powder coated to match, as well as the RCV Performance axles, which are in the front as well as the rear of the Jeep. So guys, I promised you the measurements of before the transformation as well as after transformation, so let's go ahead and take a look at those numbers. So the front bumper used to be 19 inches, and it is currently sitting at 24 inches, which is about a 5-inch difference. The side steps used to be at 16 inches and are currently at 22 inches, which is about a 6-inch difference. The rear bumper used to be at 21.5 and it's currently at 25.4, which is approximately 4-inch difference. And the pumpkin used to be sitting at 10 inches and it's currently sitting at 12 inches, which is approximately 2-inch change. The roof rack was 74 and is now 84, which is a 10-inch difference. So as you can see, it's a super huge transformation. Like, it's not even the same Jeep. So anyone who knows us knows that the first thing that we did once we got the Jeep back is took it off-road. We wanted to see its capabilities. We wanted to see that flex. We wanted to see that travel. And boy, are we amazed. Just wow. So for the longest time, I've been trying to figure out what to name my Jeep. And I looked at forums, I talked to the club members, and everybody always have the same comment. Just wait patiently, you'll be on a trail one day, and the name will come to you. So ta-da! The Jeep is finally transformed, and if you listen closely, you can hear those coilovers work. And they kinda sound like squeaks. So we officially decided to name our Jeep Squeaks. So everybody needs squeaks. Wow, right there. I mean, look at the Jeep. Look at all 4 tires. They're still on the ground and we're sitting on like a 4-foot hill. This is absolutely incredible. Just look at that travel. And if you like this video and want to see more, subscribe to our channel. Thanks guys. Peace out.